My name is Shan, and I am from Viva, which is a known brand in terms of condiments. So I look after the international exports over there as a position of an AGM. So that's what is all about me, and I've been into this international arena from last 16 years. So here I am to impart my experience with you guys. So thank you for that.
So you must have had a panel discussion here. So can you brief us about how your experience has been so far in the corporate summit?
Oh wow, it has been it's an experience. The word itself tells itself. So it's been an experience. I started obviously with you guys. I did my MBA and then opted for a company which goes by the name Kohinoor, that goes into rice and all. So learned a lot, learned from the scratch, had a lot of challenges. It was not an easy road, but gradually once you grow into that career, so you develop qualities, you attain knowledge, and then right now I'm enjoying my profile, I would say. So irrespective of the company, I enjoy my work. I like to go to the office. I like to work for that. The only thing is, if anybody is coming into international business, just ensure there is no time foundations.
Yes.
So you're working with multiple time zones. So be prepared for that.
Yes.
And then you'll enjoy it. It's really worth going for that profile.
So you talked about starting from the scratch.
Yep.
A lot of the students here, we are all from the freshers. We have not worked before. So how do you think students should go about it? Like the first step into the industry, what mindset should they have to be able to grow in the industry?
Obviously, mindset should be fresh. You can't assume anything right now. So I would right words I would use is choose the right industry and the right profile which you find you're comfortable as a person, not as a profession. Because if you're not happy in your job, then you're not doing the job. Because ultimately you're going for a job. So you have to follow the rules, you have to follow the, go by the regulations and everything. So until you're not happy personally, you won't be able to stand it. So my only motto to you would be, do the R&D, get into the right industry, which is booming and the same, because first job plays your role in terms of your resume. It plays an important role.
Yes.
So go for the right industry, but go for the right profile in which you find you are going to be happy. So in that way, you'll grow in a very good way.
So finally, I would like to ask one question that is a bit more industry related. So we see a boom of AI in the industry as a whole, like not specifically anywhere. So how is it affecting the FMCG industry in general, if it does?
Yes, AI is coming into the FMCG. I think we were discussing on the panel also. The analytics are playing a very important role. Now traditional role has moved out of it. Now it is all about analytics. So you have to, consumer behavior, their buying pattern and everything plays an important role. Ultimately, since a lot of parties are coming, a lot of companies are coming in terms of competition.
Yes.
So you can't just assume yourself that you are superior and nobody can stand you. So within a year or within 6 months, you will be out of the market if you are not going as per the market. And as per the market, nowadays is analytics plays to be. For analytics, you need AI.
Yes, that.
It's an important play. It's an important role actually about coming into.
Yes, I understand that because I also studied in analytics, so I have seen it be a very important role for not just the present but the past and the future as well.
Absolutely. So even just want to add, if your colleagues have done something IT background, they can also now have an FMCG as a career, as an industry, because FMCG is hiring IT persons for these analytical jobs. For the internal softwares, everything is going into technical now.
I'm sure that would be very very eye-opening to the students that are
absolutely
in there.
So you can't just assume that only marketing or finance would go into FMCG. IT guys can also come into it, and they are getting good salaries also.
Yes.
Trust me.
So thank you, sir. It was nice talking.
Same. Thank you. Thanks.